Hey guys, today we're going to be working on the 240. We're going to be replacing some of the rubber trim around the windows and then also looking underneath the car to see how that bash plate is holding up and how those screws are looking, because I've noticed some issues with them. So I ended up finding this rubber U-shape trim piece, and as you can see, it just has some sort of like flex, well, not much flex to it necessarily, but it has a nice good end shot right there, and then just slides over the rail around the window trim. It does have these little ridges on here as well, which is, some people were saying it looks kind of gross or weird, but well, it looks worse. Some cracked 30-year-old trim or some new rib trim, I don't know. So it's for any and all to decide what they prefer, I guess. So alright, let's get going. Also, I was able to pick 10 feet of this up for $10. It was actually on sale. You can buy it at most big box stores and probably at some more of the local like AutoZones or whatnot, but for the most part, super cheap, and I'm anticipating that it'll make the car look that much better. It's the little odds and ends that really kind of do it. So we have our new rubber lining for the door window, and of course what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and spread it out across to measure so that you have the correct length, and then have some sort of a pin or maybe just notch out where it should go. So I'm going to try and do that right now. Actually, I got to take off the old one anyway, so I'll do that right now. So it seems that it's actually on there pretty good. So I'm going to try and just, I guess, get it started. And it doesn't feel like it's going to come off all in one piece, which is very irritating. Actually snaps into place really nice. So I didn't get to go underneath the car today. It was just getting too hot, so I decided to come back inside and just cool off. I'm gonna have to do the skid plate another day, just check it out and just to make sure the screws are still there, because what I have noticed is that some of the screws, I think from the vibrations, they are unscrewing themselves. Just happened to see one that was like just like 1 or 2 threads coming from out and falling down, which would ultimately just have one side sag just a little bit. I know the other bolts would have would have supported it. However, when one goes, another could go, and then catastrophic things can happen. So anyways, I'm done for today. I'm going to wait till next week maybe to start working on or looking underneath the car, and we'll just make sure everything looks good. All right, that's it.